To export an FBX file from Blender including materials and textures, simply choose File Export FBX, and in the export window, change the path mode from auto to copy, then select the Embed Textures option. When importing it into a new Blender project, you will find the principled BSDF node and the image textures correctly connected to it. This operation is only successful if the principled shader is used as the main shader and if the textures are image types, so don't close this tutorial yet, because I will go into more detail on this point shortly. Depending on the game engine in which you need to use the 3D model, it may also be advisable to change the smoothing option in the geometry section from normals only to face. I believe this option is necessary, for example, for Unreal Engine, but I'm not sure, so I advise you to check the documentation. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, in Blender version 3.6 it is necessary to use the principled BSDF node as the main shader and the textures must be image type with UV mapping. The parameters of the principled BSDF shader exported in the FBX file in this version of Blender are base color, specular intensity, specular tint, without textures, roughness, metallic, IR, transmission, alpha, and normal. In addition, you can use the normal map node to correctly convert the image texture of the normal channel into a normal map. It is not possible to export procedural textures unless we first bake them to convert them into UV mapped image textures. Maybe I'll talk about this topic in another video, if you want.